बचपन से ही मुझे रस बहुत पसंद है, इतने पसंद कि मैं एक रस फैक्ट्री में भी चली गई जब मैं हार्डली 3 या 4 साल की थी, देखने के लिए कि रस कैसे बनाए जाते हैं। मेरे घर के पास ही था वो रस फैक्ट्री, वो एरोमा रस का आज भी मुझे याद है। तो मैं हमेशा ट्राई करती हूँ घर में वो एरोमा, वो एक्सपीरियंस रिक्रिएट करने का। एंड दिस चॉकलेट आटा केक रस्क रेसिपी is a step in that direction. Hello everyone, Ravneet Phala welcomes you back to her channel. Dunking a homemade crunchy chocolate rusk in your hot cuppa is all that you want. And if kids love cake rusks, then you have a double treat at hands. The recipe of chocolate cake rusk with whole wheat is a keeper, and you will never ever regret baking an extra batch of biscuities because these promise to disappear soon. So let's get right into the atta rusk recipe. As always, I have baked rusks in air fryer, but you can do so in oven, OTG, convection, and even in cooker or kadahi. For the recipe to make chocolate rusks, you will need malai to give it a taste like cake rusk. Kids would love to enjoy these crunchy munchies just like that. This surely makes a healthy Indian snack recipe. I have taken 1/3 cup of malai. Mix with 1/3 cup of jaggery powder. I have taken 2 tablespoon extra as well. So it is 1/3 cup plus 2 tablespoon of jaggery powder. You may take jaggery as well. And these rusks are subtly sweet, so they are not overly sweet. If you want them sweeter, please add up to half cup of your sweetener of choice. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix well until jaggery is dissolved. It's time for the chocolatey punch. Add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. I have bought a new pack of cocoa powder this time and I'm amazed at the difference in taste and aroma. Next, add sifted half cup of whole wheat flour and half cup of semolina or suji. Mix. Add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and half teaspoon of baking powder. And 1/3 cup of water. Mix until it looks like a sticky dough. Remember, it will be a sticky dough and not like a typical cake batter. This is so typical of rusks or cake rusks. Let the dough rest for 10 minutes. After that, preheat oven air fryer OTG to 160 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes, and as always, an air fryer can be preheated only for 5 minutes. If the cake dough looks too dry or thick, you may add 1 to 2 tablespoons more of milk or water, but I chose not to add any more liquid. Pour into a greased baking tin which has been dusted with semolina. Remember, it is a loose dough and not like a cake batter. Bake the atta chocolate cake at 160 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. Remove and slice upon cooling. I chose to slice the cake in the cake tin itself. This prevented it from breaking. Bake the cake slices at 160 degrees Celsius for 15 minutes. I baked cake rusk in air fryer and placed one baking tray at the bottom and another one at the top. The top layer baked rusks quickly while the bottom one needed a little extra time. Flip the side and bake again for 12 to 15 minutes depending on how they feel. If they are too soft to touch, bake longer. Allow the chocolate cake rusk to cool down before digging into these chocolatey beauties. The aroma of my cocoa powder is amazing and oh so chocolatey. I hope you like this recipe of atta chocolate rusk. If you do, please hit the like button And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are yet to do so. Until next time, take care, stay safe, stay blessed.